Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So
G'day my friends, welcome back to another day. It's day 5, it's the 5th of December 2021. I'm doing an advent calendar by Bridge Road Breweries in Beechworth, and it's been awesome so far. It's given me some real experience in what I'm tasting, what kind of beers I enjoy and what I don't enjoy, which is great. I need to learn this. What I'm doing today is, of course, the one you just saw me unpacking, which is a KAIJU KRUSH beer. How's that? Don't mind me, I've got a bit of a croaky voice again because I had a big night last night doing gigs and playing a wedding last night. It was a hell-raising one. I was there from 3 o'clock, no, I was there from 1 o'clock to midnight, and then my hour drive back home. So that was a bit of fun. Made a little bit of money, which is great. This is what you do it for. Oh, you also do it for the fun. It is really enjoyable playing in a band and playing with a group of people who are like-minded. Today, I want to explain to you or let you know that I do have a YouTube channel called 10 Gallon Rush. I'll leave a link down below of some of the band, one of the bands I do play in. So if you're interested in having a look what I do, check that channel out and see what you think. And yeah, we'll carry on. We'll do some beer tasting today. This one is a KAIJU KRUSH beer, Tropical Pale Ale, which is from, who is this one? Who's this one? Who makes this? After a generations of KAIJU, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I probably would be. So, what they've written on the can is, after generations of KAIJU interacting with the local flora, a new species arose. The fuchsias found the balmy weather and the laid-back pace in tropical climates to their liking, settling many remote islands, but always on guard for those who would seek to exploit their mouth-watering juiciness and impeccable balance. Okay, it's I don't know what KAIJU beer is. You guys are obviously going to tell me. It's 375 mils, 4.7% alcohol. It's tropical pale ale. KAIJU doesn't say much more than that. I'm going to look it up. Once I look it up, I'll pop it on the screen right here, and then we'll figure out together what actually all that is. If I can open the can. I'm having lots of trouble trying to open these. There you go, open. Alright, again, citrus, you can smell citra, and a couple of other hops in there that's nicely presented, I suppose. It smells great, actually. It's not overly overbearing or anything like that. We'll pour it in. I'll let you guys see the pour. I thought it might foam up a bit more, it's obviously not. Now, is this a cloudy ale? No, it's just slightly cloudy. Let that focus a little, the light in there. Slightly cloudy. The colouring is a bit brighter on the screen than it is on my hand, what I can see. Good carbonation, nice little head retention. Like I said, tropical, not much pineapple-y smell, which I seem to get out of a lot of pale ales. Ales of any kind, especially IPAs. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells really balanced, actually. Ooh, very citrusy. What do I get there? Almost a peachy flavour. Well, I don't know what that is. It is tasty. It's very, very nice. It's definitely a sessionable one. Something you can sit down and drink in a hot day and relax. And I notice a lot of pale ales are like that. Sweetness is very low. Bitterness is there. It's not high. It's probably what 15 to 20 IBU. I don't know. It doesn't say it on the can, so I'll have to look that up as well. It's very nice, very smooth, well balanced, tasty. Malt doesn't jump out at you. It's not overly malty. Like I said, it's fairly carbonated. It's fizzing away there nicely. As you can see, my glass is nice and clean because I've had a beer out of this already. The first beer cleans it out. Yes, very good beer. I can't say much more. That is a standard beer. It's not overly overbearing. You guys have had Furphies before. It's very similar in that aspect, but Furphies are a bit sweeter with less bitterness. It's got a little bit more bitterness to it. Actually, I think it's about it might be even a 30 IBU now. I'm starting to taste the bitterness a bit more. Definitely a sessionable drink. Very nice in flavour. Easy drinking. I'm really happy with that one. It's not something I'll rush out and grab at the local dispensary or anything like that. But it's a really nice beer. Good stuff. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember, I do have a link down below for 10 Gallon Rush, which is one of my bands that I play in. If you want to check it out, have a look. And subscribe if you want to see more, because our band's going to start playing soon, and we're going to start doing some more bigger gigs, so looking forward to that. I had a big night last night with the other band that I play with, which hasn't got a YouTube channel, but they are on Facebook if you want to check out Zero Gravity. Just an interim band that I'm playing with at the moment, just getting through some of the stuff I want to do and getting skilled up on the bass again, because I'm a bass player. And I can sing. Well, I think I can sing anyway. But anyway, cheers. Thanks for sticking around for this session, and this is number 5 in a set of 24 videos that I'll be doing up to Christmas. And yeah, you can taste I'm actually tasting the salts in that one too, which is coming through now. Very nice beer. Cheers guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.